Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 cannot add account in Mail and Calendar app. First method is click Start, Settings, click Apps. Click Apps and Features, type Mail in search bar. Click three dots, click Advanced Options. Click Repair and Reset. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Store Apps. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, type Mail. Click Uninstall. Restart system. Click Start, click Store. Type Mail and Calendar. Click Install. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.